you notice hollowing around the eyes or the temples, or a more sunken look around your cheeks? Well, unfortunately, fat loss happens as we age in the wrong places. But did you know that recent research suggests that all natural rooibos can actually slow down or even reverse this process and help with anti-aging on many levels? Now, for those of you wondering what rooibos is, it's a caffeine-free herbal tea that comes from South Africa, and it can really help with anti-aging, both when drunk as a tea and used topically. But before we jump into the 4 top ways that you can use this internally and externally to look younger, let's first discuss what it can do for your skin and the science behind this. Recent research done by the Nelson Mandela Institute has found that rooibos can actually help protect our fat pads. And this is really important because when we lose fat, we get lines, we get wrinkles, and we get that hollow look around our eyes, temples, and sometimes cheek area as well. The second thing rooibos does is it protects us from oxidative stress, which can then lead to many age-related issues, both internally and externally, including the loss of collagen. And this is because the tea is very high in antioxidants, which basically protect us from those free radicals and oxidative stress. Now, the other thing the antioxidants do is they help protect us from inflammation, which is one of the key reasons for aging. Now, something to mention is studies to date are in vitro studies, meaning that they've been done on human cells, but in a laboratory rather than on an actual human. And this is often how studies start out, and when proven successful, they then move on to clinical studies and they're tested on humans. But regardless, the results here are very encouraging. Research has also shown that rooibos can help maintain healthy mitochondria. And this is really important because our mitochondria are our energy powerhouses in our cells, basically keeping us young. And when our cells act younger, they're able to produce that collagen, elastin, and also have healthy cell turnover, which all are very important for anti-aging. Let's discuss how you can include rooibos into your skincare routine. You should be drinking the tea, more on that later, but also applying it topically. There's some great products that you can purchase, and I'll give you examples at the end. But you can also make your own products, and these are very potent and cost-effective. First up is your rooibos toner. Now, you can easily make this by brewing a strong batch of rooibos tea with filtered water. You then allow it to cool and transfer it into a spray bottle. And you can even add ingredients like aloe vera or glycerin for added hydration, and then use it for an antioxidant boost. The second thing you can do is create an anti-aging face mask, and you'll do this using the same steps as with your toner, and then mix in the rooibos with egg yolks and honey, which are both very high in nutrients and also anti-inflammatory. You'll put on the mixture on clean skin and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And when you take it off, you'll see your skin will be glowing and also plumped up. I would also highly recommend you consider combining your red light treatments with a good quality rooibos serum. And for those of you who have watched my channel before, you know I always recommend red light treatments because they're a fantastic non-invasive way to increase your collagen and elastin production and also to even out that skin tone. Now, research shows that combining red light therapy with a rooibos serum significantly increases the result of both. There was a study commissioned by Mesama, which is a rooibos-based product line, and it was completed by a third party. But the result shows that combining the red light treatment with their serum, the Mesama rooibos serum, increased the red light efficiency by 260%. Now, they looked at things like elastin production, which significantly increased, and then there was a significant reduction in redness, pigmentation, and lines and wrinkles. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely getting myself a rooibos serum. And don't forget to drink the tea as well. You can either drink the green version or the fermented version, which looks like black tea. They're both good for anti-aging, both internally and externally. And one point to mention is there has been some research around rooibos and how it stabilizes our blood sugar levels. And this is a really important point because unstable blood sugar levels can lead to insulin resistance, which then can lead to disease, inflammation, and then can lead to aging of our skin and our bodies. So make sure you have at least 1 to 2 cups a day. Rooibos is one fantastic addition to our toolkit to prevent that facial fat loss and maintain that youthful skin. And for more information on the subject, I would recommend you next watch my video on stopping facial fat loss naturally. Here we'll take a broader look at the subject, covering vitamins, foods, products, and treatments to really maintain the plumpness of your skin. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for weekly tips on beauty and well-being.